Welcome back to the Electrician's Tool Channel. On the bench today, we have the AMPROBE INSP-3 wiring inspection tester. This tester was made available for sale on September, or should I say in September of 2019. I believe that you can still purchase this tester from AMPROBE. If not, I'm sure you can find one on eBay for a nice price. AMPROBE, this tester compared to the other ones that I have, is a really nice tester. This one, it tells you just about everything that the ideal SureTest tester would tell you. The only difference is this has a larger screen. And the other ones, I can't say the screen is real small, but it's much smaller. It's a little bit smaller than this one. But it has everything that this one has. So you're not really, they didn't really add anything new as far as this one is concerned, except the larger screen. But I really like this tester. I have nothing bad to say about it whatsoever. I'll put you a little bit closer to let you check out some of the features down at the bottom, okay? And we'll talk about it afterwards. So let me just bring you in a little bit closer. Hold on. And guys, while we're at it, if this is your first time viewing this channel and you like what you see so far, I'm asking you to support the channel for free. And all thing you have to do is hit the like button if you like what you see. And if you want to become a member, I would like for you to hit the subscribe button. That way to put you in rotation of all my previous videos, as well as notify you when I'm releasing a new video. I also would like for you to leave a comment if you choose to. I love talking tools. And if you have a question and I can answer it, leave it in the comment and I'll get right back with you. Other than that, I just want to remind you that for everything I'm asking you is for free, and it's just showing your support. So with all that's out of the way, guys, let me just finish talking about the meter. Okay, you see it to say it. Let's start from the top. It has GFCI, AFCI testing. You can select the mode, plug it into the outlet, and push and release the test button. That's it. And this is basically the instructions on the front. So let me just raise it up. You can see what the soft keys are. It takes one 9-volt battery to power this unit up, and it has, you can get measurement. It lets you know if it's a 10 amp measurement, 15 or 20. And there are the two GFCI soft keys right here. This is the off and on button right here, the yellow button. Now, let me just show you the screen. What you see on the screen here, I have it plugged into my Stanley power supply, so that's why it's reading this. So it's telling me what it's 95.7 volts or true RMS volts, 50 hertz. Let me see, can I scroll through and see if it'll allow me to scroll through. Nope. It won't let me do anything else. It's just telling me that to check the wiring, high drop, under load. Okay, well, that's what it's telling me. So, but it does work properly. It won't let me show you anything else other than what I'm gonna turn it off for a minute and then turn it back on and see what happens. Now I'm gonna turn it back on and we'll see. It's checking the outlet. It should be checking the power generator, and that's what it's reading. Okay, but anyway, it works fine, guys. And this is another tester. If you were to run into one on The Price is Right, and is in good condition, you know, I recommend that you get it. It's good to have. It's really good to have. This will help you out if you doing electrical work, you know, and there's an elusive short circuit somewhere or something wrong with that branch circuit. This would help you locate, well, this will point you in the right direction, should I say. So I don't have anything bad to say about it. Everything I have to say about it is really good. And so with that being said, guys, I told you, inform you how you can support the channel, and I appreciate if you could do that. But other than that, I want you guys to stay tuned, and I will be uploading. There are more videos to come. So until next time, guys, you guys take care and be safe out there, and I'll see you later.